Okay, this is McNaughton Dynamics and I'm Andrew McNaughton. I'm going to introduce you to our range of oxygen servicing units. These are machines that are normally used to service military aircraft with gaseous and liquid oxygen. Inside our workshop we have 4 machines completely serviced and ready to go. This is what the control panel normally looks like. We have the contents gauge telling us how much liquid oxygen we have, up to 300 litres. Then we have the tank pressure gauge, which we can set up to 27 bar. Then the gas would normally be delivered to the aircraft through this hose, having been regulated here, having come from a high pressure pump fitted inside the cryogenic tank. It's a very revolutionary design. Down below here are the cryogenic controls. The liquid oxygen is provided here from the BOC delivery driver. Have a tank, a hose drain valve, a fill valve, a vent valve, and a pressure raising valve, which raises the pressure on the tank. Over here, we have a machine that is actually filled with liquid oxygen. So if we look here, you can see that there is 150 litres or thereabouts of liquid oxygen in this tank. And the pressure is just over 10 bar. We've regulated the pressure down to between 4 and 5 bar, it's 4.8 bar. And this is the valve. You push it for on and pull it for off, so that's off and that's on. This gives us a very high flow rate of gas, but it doesn't come from the usual hose. It comes from a tapping that has been put into the gas supply that would normally be used to drive the pump. So here we have the output connection with a flow meter attached. If I adjust the valve here, we can get the flow to increase. The flow is between 400 and 480 litres per minute. At that flow rate, the regulated pressure drops to 3 bar. However, the tank pressure stays at 10 bar. So, that's what the machines look like. The internals of the machine look something like this. That is the vaporizer that turns the liquid oxygen into the gaseous oxygen. This is a tank that has been removed from a unit that has come here for servicing. So we have to pump the vacuum on this tank and generally service it and paint it. This is a tank that we've cut up and we've sent the welds off to the Welding Institute in Cambridge to be tested to see that they're safe after 30 years of service. And I'm happy to say that all the welds were safe. So that's it. That's machine number 1. That's machine number 4. Machine number 2. And machine number 5 is in the trailer. If you need a machine, we can put them in that trailer and deliver them to your site.